Hello, lovely people. You are welcome to the Empowerment Defensive Training Lessons. My name is Gershon Ejapon, also known as I Smile. Everything we talk about here is about defenses. How you are going to take care of yourself on the road and make sure other road users are also safe. One of the things that we pay much attention to is our visuals, how far we can see and how well we can see. And that is the reason why the DVLA takes every individual through the visual acuity test before the license will be issued. But that notwithstanding, we are not supposed to pay too much attention to only our visuals, but we can also pay attention to how we can announce our presence to other road users if our presence is unclear. One of the easiest way or things that we can use to announce our presence is the horn. It is not used to express our annoyance. It is not used to greet our fellow drivers. It is also not used to force other road users to do the right thing. Even if you feel or you know that the other road user is not doing the right thing, we don't intimidate people with the horn on the road. Don't push people or force people to do the right thing with the horn on the road. If not, you are not only disturbing the person you want to intimidate or push to do the right thing, but you are disturbing others who are not even involved in what you are doing. You should be able to know the particular speed you are using before you start announcing your presence. If your speed is too much and you want to announce your presence to a pedestrian who is crossing the road or a pedestrian who even doesn't know that you are around, make sure you reduce your speed before you start using the horn. If not, the person may be frightened by the horn that you are using and the person will end up running towards your direction. So if your speed is too much, you end up knocking the person down or hitting the person with your car. So before you try to announce your presence to someone, make sure you consider your speed. Do not use the horn when you see the no hooting sign. The horn is not supposed to be used too much or supposed to be used at all in the night around 10 or 11 p.m. to 6 or 7 a.m. The horn is not also supposed to be used at hospital areas because there are sick people who are receiving treatment. Some of them are supposed to sleep well so that their medication will work. If you go there and you are using your horn too much or you are using your horn in that environment, you end up disturbing the peace of the patients. Don't also use your horn to scare animals. Most people use the horn to scare the animals. The best thing you can do is to slow down enough and make sure that the animal will leave the road before you start moving or before you move on. Don't stop the car and be on the horn continuously like that. No, at least there should be a little movement, not too much movement that can affect someone's life. And also, if you are in a bend or a curve, if you are about to take a bend or a curve, you are advised to use the horn to announce your presence so that any driver or a road user who is coming from the opposite direction from the curve would know that there is a car present in the curve. You are also advised to announce your presence before you start overtaking a slow-moving car. Don't take the car you want to overtake by surprise. Always make sure you announce your presence before you do so. It can also be used to alert motorists or other pedestrians of any hazards around. There may be something that may be approaching the motorist or approaching the pedestrian, of which the pedestrian may not see it because he or she may not be looking at that direction. The horn is actually not to be abused. No, we have to know when to use it and also how to use it. The horn is used to announce our presence. So we are not supposed to stay on it continuously or stay on it unnecessarily. A beep is okay, but most people end up using it too much, especially if they are even greeting their fellow drivers or fellow friends. They end up using the horn too much and it causes a lot of disturbance. Please, the Ghana Road Safety Regulation frowns on drivers or people who misuses the horn. Everything we talk about here is about defenses. My name is Gershon Ejapon. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.